We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's Jordan over at Onyx, and today we're going to show you the common causes of a paper jam with a Canon imageCLASS MF445dw. And what we're going to do is take out this paper tray, make sure that this paper is all out, and you're going to check what size your paper is set at. Make sure that it is the same size paper that you are using. So letter, legal, it shows you the sizes on here as well, 8.5. You're going to make sure that's the same size of paper you are using. Also make sure you aren't overfilling the paper. There's a maximum amount that you are allowed to put in, and it stops you right at these little tabs. So whenever you're putting more paper in, you want to take all the paper you have in it currently and put it all together, fan it out, make sure that there's no pages stuck together. Put that back in there like so. Make sure the paper size is correct. Stick that back in there. If you have any issues or need anything, just give us a call.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.